Now let's talk about protection of crops from birds, animal and diseases. So how we can protect the crop from birds, animal and diseases that we are going to study. So as you all know, once you have sown the crop, now it is very important to protect them from the stray animals, birds and pests. So this is done as follows. So first let's talk about protection from stray animals. Stray animals क्या होते हैं? जो कि इधर उधर घूमते रहते हैं. Such animals are known as stray animals. In order to protect the crop from stray animals, so we put a fence around the field. Fencing कर दी जाती है किनारे पूरे चारों तरफ फील्ड के. एंड इन दिस वे यू कैन प्रोटेक्ट देम फ्रॉम द स्ट्रे एनिमल्स. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम बर्ड्स. So in order to protect them from the birds, first thing is that why there is a need to protect them from the birds. As you all know, birds क्या करती हैं? They eat away the grains, seeds वो खा लेती हैं, and they in this way they affect the crop. So birds can be scared away from the field by beating a drum or with the help of scarecrow. As you can see in the figure, scarecrow जो फील्ड के बीच में बना के लटका दिए जाते हैं या टांग दिए जाते हैं, तो उनको हम स्केयर क्रो बोलते हैं. वो डराने के लिए होते हैं. और समटाइम्स यू सी द बीटिंग ऑफ द ड्रम इज ऑल्सो डन frequently, so that the birds they can be scared. Okay, now next is protection against diseases. How we can protect them from the diseases? So the plants are also damaged by diseases. And which type of microorganism they affect the plants, like fungi, bacteria, viruses? These are the few organism which cause disease in plant. For example, like rust and smut disease. These are the fungal diseases of wheat. Then blight of potato. This is also a fungal disease which is caused in potato. Then wilt is a disease which is caused by bacteria. Then blast is also a disease of paddy crop, rice crop, and it is caused by fungus. So these are the name of few diseases which are caused by these organisms. So you need to remember the name of the diseases, because the name of the diseases is asked in exam. Okay, now let's talk about the protection against plant diseases. How the protection against plant diseases can be done. So this is done by few methods. By using few methods, you can protect the plant from diseases. For example, before the sowing of the seeds must be treated with fungicides. Then we should sow disease resistant variety. The disease resistant variety should be chosen, and such seeds should be sown in the field. Then also by spraying insecticide, pesticides or fungicides. These are the chemicals. So these are sprayed at regular interval, okay, with the help of sprayers, and the plant can be prevented from such diseases. Now let's talk about protection from pest. How the protection we can protect the crop from pest. Now what are pests? Pests are the organism which damage the crop, and also they make it unfit for human consumption. How? What they do? They eat up the seeds. They hollow the seeds. तो वो इस तरह जो प्लांट्स जो क्रॉप ईल्ड होती है, जो प्रोड्यूस होता है, उसको वो डैमेज कर देते हैं. और इस कैटेगरी में क्या क्या आते हैं? रोडेंट्स, दैट इज़ रैट, बर्ड्स, इंसेक्ट्स. सो ये सब पेस्ट होते हैं. एंड दीज पेस्ट्स दे मेक द क्रॉप अनफिट फॉर ह्यूमन कंजम्पशन. फिर वो हमारे काम का नहीं रह जाता है. वी कांट यूज सच टाइप ऑफ सीड्स. So the crops can be protected from pests by killing them by using poisonous chemicals, and these chemicals are known as insecticides or pesticides. So pesticides, they kill the pest but they do not harm the plants. Okay, they only act on the pest only, but they do not cause any harm to the plant. So the chemicals which can kill only insects, they are known as insecticides, and the chemicals which kill the pest, they are known as pesticides. So these pesticides are sprayed at the regular interval, okay, so that the pest life cycle is controlled, because as you all know, they have a definite life cycle. So it is very important to spray them regularly at equal intervals so that their life cycle is stopped. Okay. Now now the question arises, how they are sprayed. What is done, they are the pesticides and insecticide, they are dissolved in water, and then they are sprayed on the plant by the help of sprayers. Now this you can talk about in small quantity if you want to spray. But suppose we have a very big field, अगर हमारे पास बहुत बड़ी field है, then how it is done? So then it is done by a low lying aircraft. As you can see in the figure, an aircraft is there and it is moving over the field, and it is spraying, it is emitting the pesticides and insecticides also. So this is used when there is a epidemic or severe attack of pest. बहुत लार्ज स्केल में जब पेस्ट अटैक करते हैं तब ये मेथड यूज होता है. तो सम ऑफ द कॉमनली यूज इंसेक्टिसाइड्स आर BHC, दैट इज गैमेक्सीन, and it is also known as benzene hexachloride, then malathion, demicron and polythion. So these are the few names of insecticides. Now what precaution should be taken while using pesticides? We should take few precautions. First is we should cover our nose and mouth, okay, and also we should use hand gloves. Second is while spraying your this insecticide and pesticide, the position is in such a way that wind blow away from your face. ठीक है, विंड हमारी तरफ नहीं होनी चाहिए, ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में होनी चाहिए, और उसी डायरेक्शन में हमें स्प्रे करना रहता है. And last is immediately after spraying you should wash your hand and mouth. Okay, this should be washed. So these are the precautions which should be followed while spraying insecticides and pesticides. Now next we will talk about harvesting and threshing. So thank you.